Right? Alright, so when I turn on a turn signal, there's 5 bulbs on either side that start flashing. Front corner, tractor side light, one on the ass end of my bobtail, for Christ's sake, trailer side light, and one on the ass end of my trailer. 5 more on the other side, reflected like a mirror. There is no excuse you can't see a turn signal on a truck. And it is not any different from a turn signal on a car. It is not a pass me on this side signal. I don't understand why the fuck I even have to make this video.